Are you ready to make your dream a reality? Do you have a big dream, a life-changing dream? The people who dream big have a different kind of life than those who don't dream. Don't settle for a mediocre life. Don't let anyone tell you that your dreams are impossible, and don't let fear or anxiety stop you from chasing your dreams. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up, and dreams require sacrifices. Your dream may mean giving up some luxuries, like your expensive car, but it's worth it. Stop downgrading your dream to fit your reality, and start upgrading your conviction to match your destiny. Stay strong, have faith, and keep pushing through. Remember, on the other side of your struggle is something better, something good, some sort of success. Why would you waste one second doing something that wasn't progressing your dream? Your dreams are so important because they are a part of who you are as a person. Your DNA is wrapped up in your dreams, and you cannot quit because quitting is not an option. You have a why, you have a passion, and you have a purpose. Be the example for the crazy dreamers in this world. Make a declaration that this is what you stand for, and you're going all out to have it.
What you want exists. Don't settle until you get it. Use guilt as your fuel, and start feeling guilty when you're not achieving or striving towards your dream. You can use the people that doubted your dream as motivation when your dreams are dying and when you don't have enough strength to go on. Let go of your limitations and stop procrastinating. One of the hardest things to do is to keep going, is to keep chasing. People will give up their dreams for certainty, but your life will start to change when you become more committed to your dreams than your comfort zone. Stop being pushed around by the fears in your mind and start being led by the dreams in your heart. Life is too short to be working on someone else's dream. If you give up on your dream, what's left? You have to find a way to build your own dream or someone else will hire you to build theirs. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Create it.
Every person that did incredible things in this world had to dream crazy. Dream big. Don't wait for others to believe in you. Believe in yourself. You are your only limit. Your potential is endless. Go do what you dreamed you could do. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Don't worry about failure. You only have to be right once because when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. You've got to stop believing in the doubters and start believing in your abilities. You've got hate. Use it. Put in the extra hour fueled by the anger you have for not achieving your dream. Keep striving. Never give up. Fall down 7 times. Get up 8. Are you tired? Think of all the successful people that accomplished their dreams, and remember, you can be one of them too.